Welcome back, friends. Myself Kakasep Jadhav. Friends, today we are taking a new chapter of 10th mathematics, that is probability. Welcome back in JK's mathematics. In our day-to-day life, when we play in a match, we toss the coin. While tossing the coin, there are two possibilities, either head or tail. Okay? When we toss the coin, there are two possibilities, either head or tail. Okay, friends? We get head or tail. So, in this probability, the random experiment we are taking, that is, first one is taken, that is the tossing a single coin. While tossing a single coin, we get head or tail. But when we toss two coins simultaneously, then the possibilities are we get head on both the coins, we get head on the first coin and tail on the second coin, tail on the first coin and head on the second coin, or on both the coins we get the tails. Means the number of coins tossed means n, and outcomes of 2 to the power n. 2 to the power n. What is n? N means number of coins. Here two coins are tossed, so 2 to the power 2 means the outcomes are 4. We get 4 outcomes like this, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Okay, friends? Now, two coins are tossed. This is the first coin and this one is second coin. So what happened? We get the head of first and head of from the second, means HH. Head from the first and tail from the second means we get HT. Then tail from the first coin and head from the second coin, we get TH. Tail from the first coin and again tail from the second coin, we get TT. In this way, when we toss two coins, we get either head head, head tail, tail head or tail tail on both the coins. Okay? Now, the random experiment is of tossing three coins simultaneously. What are the possibilities? How many coins are there? N equals to 3. 2 to the power 3 means our total outcomes are 2 to the power 3 means 8. There are total 8 outcomes. HH on 3 coins, HHT, HTH, HTT, THH, THT, TTH and TTT. These are our outcomes while tossing the 3 coins simultaneously. Now, when we toss 3 coins, the total outcomes are 8 and those are like this we had studied. Now, the another random experiment is that is a very well known example for us when we play any game like snake and ladder. We rolled a die. The die has total 3 faces and the dots are given on each space, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So we number them as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 in this way. This is the a well-known example of rolling a die. Now, a most known and favorite example is, that is, the favorite indoor game of each and every person, that is the playing cards. A pack of playing cards has four types of the cards and each type has 13 cards. There are total 52 cards in a pack of cards. Okay? There are 4 suits, 13 cards per suit, 10 yes, Jack, Queen, King are the face cards. Jack, Queen and King are the face cards. There are the 4 types of the card, that is first one is heart, spade, club and diamond. 13 cards from 13 are hearts and 13 are diamond. There are total 26 red cards in the pack and 13 from spade, 13 from club. In this way there are 26 black cards in the pack and the total cards in the pack are 52. Okay? Now the number cards. There are 13 number cards in a type, 13 in a type, and there are 26 10 number cards are there. 10 into 2, that is 20 black and 20 red. There are total 40 number cards in a pack. Okay? Now the face cards. Face cards. Face cards means Jack, Queen and King. Each set has 3 types of the cards, 3 cards, face cards. Total there are 12 face cards in a pack of 52 cards. Okay? Now the random experiment and sample space. When we toss a coin, the sample space is we get either head or tail. There are in a sample space there are 2 elements, head or tail. So number of sample points in this sample space are 2. Then the second one is when we toss 2 coins simultaneously, then sample space is head tail, tail head or tail tail. Number of sample points are there 4. Okay? Now 3 coins are tossed simultaneously. We had studied that there are 8 outcomes and this is the sample space. This is sample space and number of sample points are 8. Okay friends? Now a die is rolled. What is the sample space for the die is rolled? That is either we get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6 like this. The number of sample points are 6. Okay? Now 2 dice are rolled simultaneously. We get 1 on the first die and 1 on the second, means 1 1. 1 on the first die, 2 on the second. 1 on the first, 3 on the second, like this up to 1 6. Then 2 on the first and 1 on the second, 2 1. Both has 2 2, then that is 2 2. In this way there are 36 sample points in this random experiment, that is while we toss 2 coins simultaneously. Okay friends, in this way we had introduced the probability, their random experiments, how we use the random experiment, how we find their sample space and sample points. Okay, we have to stop here and see, we meet in the next period. for the next topic of this chapter. Okay.